If any part of your body will lead you to sin, cut it off. Brother Sammy Bass!
Pastor,
What's the problem?
it's my hand though. I used to teach people things. What can we do about it?
Do you want to go to hell?
No, Pastor.
Come! Let's cut it off.
Jesus! Are you gone?
Keep your hand here.
Pastor, my hand. Wait, Pastor. Please, Pastor. Let's resolve it tomorrow. Pastor, please.
Why are you running?
Wallahi, Pastor, I get problem.
Brother Dada,
Yawa.
what is your problem?
Wallahi, my problem I big well. And I dey carry people problem for head. Wallahi ni. For I go come up for the person I go fight. Wallahi I go carry am for my head ni. That's my problem, Pastor. What you go do?
Brother Dada,
Yawa, Pastor.
do you want to go to hell?
I don't want to go to fire. Well, I don't go that place.
Come out.
Yawa, Pastor.
Let's cut it off. Let's cut it off. We are going to cut it off today.
Yawa,
Let's cut it off.
Pastor Cut, your dig will lead you to hellfire. Let's cut it.
Let's cut it off.
Yawa, problem, Pastor.